Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. What's going on, guys? We're back for another video. Today we're doing the stock drums challenge. Basically it's exactly what I said. We're just using the drums that FL Studio comes with. There's like this packs folder that has a bunch of trash drums, or well, apparently they're trash. I mean, we'll see what I can do. So yeah, I'm just gonna make my melody however the hell I want it. You know what I'm saying? Make it as crazy and as nice as possible. Then I gotta use the stock. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos I shoot in the future in the comment section below, and also share this video and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Join notification gang. Come on, like just do it. Like it's not hard, man. But yeah, let's get started. All right, Atmosphere is ready to go. Let's make this melody. I'm not gonna take long with this melody, guys. Don't worry.
What?
I think this is nice. I don't think I need what's it called? I don't think I need roast beef for this one, guys. But yeah, we're just gonna go with the flow with this one. We're just gonna keep going. All right, because you know, I know as soon as I get to the drums, I'm gonna get pissed at how they sound. So I'm just gonna try and make this melody as amazing as possible, so you don't even care about the drums. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna use roast beef. I don't care. Sorry. I'm not sorry at all, actually. Let's do this. No. Oh, this means I need to use stock 808s. Oh my god, FL Studio doesn't have 808. Oh, wait, no, Citrus has sub bass. Ah, we're good, we're good, we're good. All right, cool. That's our first melody. Now, let's do a counter melody. Let's do a counter melody with let's try Nexus. I haven't used Nexus in a minute. Come on. Alright, what the fudge? Get rid of this. Alright, cool. Guys, I think it might be time to go to the drums. I'm kind of scared, kind of not. Let's just start off with the easiest stuff. Just get the Citrus out of the way because I know it's gonna be the last good sounding thing in this beat, but who knows, maybe we'll find a nice sounding, I don't know. Alright, this is cool, but it kind of sounds like Skyfall. But I'm gonna keep going. I don't care. Oh no. Let's get the sliding on. Alright, cool. Time to do the drums. Great. So I gotta go to the PAX thing. Oh boy. Great. Oh, they got
house music.
What the fuck?
Give me more.
Alright, this is making me feel very uncomfortable. See, this is why we don't use stock drums. Okay? Maybe I can do something with this. Let's see. Let's see if I can do something with this. Alright. The kick is kind of weak. Yeah, that's not. Alright, kicks down. I don't like it, but it'll do. Hi-hats. You know, the hi-hats probably won't be that bad. Yes, alright. We can just pitch this down. Yeah, let's try this. Okay, two-step. Let's pitch it down a little bit. This is so weird. Okay, snare now, I guess. Yo, these snares are trash. All right, we're getting somewhere. I guess the beat's done. I mean, I don't know what else to. We're definitely gonna mix this, 'cause this is horrible. But yeah, let's do that now. Let's actually do that now, because I am gonna. Okay, the beat is unfortunately finished. It's horrible, I know. Sorry, I use stock plugins. I don't know. Or I use stock drums. I mean. All right, well, if you enjoyed the video, thank you for watching. Appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox beats.